Hello, my name is Jalea Pettis and I am a licensed esthetician and professional makeup artist, and I want to share a brand with you that I have grown to love. It is called SurvivorEyes. Now, the owner of this brand, her name is Lisa Brambilla. I met her in 2018. We were both state winners for the American Small Business Championship. And when I first learned about her products, I was absolutely blown away. Originally, she made the products for cancer survivors. It's basically a brow product for both men and women that have lost their brow hair. So it is a pomade that goes onto the brow and it stays. It's waterproof. It has amazing power. She and I have gained an awesome relationship. I've done the National Alopecia Conference with her, and I use this product, even though, again, it's for individuals that have had loss. I use this product on set. It is absolutely amazing. So I want to show you what it looks like, especially for me as a makeup artist. So this is the palette that I have. So if you are a beauty professional, you can order the SurvivorEyes palette just like this with 6 shades. She has a wide variety of shades. She has the lighter shades all the way to a dark brown shade. It's awesome, the range, and you can mix them as you need to, which is absolutely amazing. You can tell that I use this a lot because I've dipped in it quite a bit. But I go into this palette, I use an angled brush, which is my favorite for brows. So an angled brush, and you have to work quickly because it dries really, really fast. But if you ever use this palette and you run out, no big deal. She sends you a whole new replacement pack. Yeah, how cool is this? And on top of that, it comes with the Velcro on the back, so all you have to do is just reattach it to the palette itself. This is an amazing, amazing product. I've used it on my clients and they are always amazed at the staying power. So if you've ever wanted to try a brow pomade that really has some stick and stay, I absolutely 100% recommend SurvivorEyes. Make sure you tell her I sent you.